If you're thinking about buying the Apex Heat Pro Space Heater, you might want to pause for a moment and hear the full story before spending your hard-earned money. This heater is advertised as a high-performance, instant room heating device that supposedly cuts energy bills and has thousands of 5-star reviews. But the reality is far more complicated. Starting with the marketing, the claims simply don't match what the product actually delivers. The so-called thousands of 5-star reviews are difficult, if not impossible, to verify, and there's no way for real users to add their own. It's also called America's #1 heater, yet there's no proof or credible manufacturer information to back this up. In fact, the same unit can be found on platforms like AliExpress or Temu for as little as $15 to $20. Yet it's resold under this brand for well over $100. Other red flags include countdown timers creating artificial urgency, false claims of limited stock, and the product being rebranded every year under a new name to avoid bad reviews. Functionally, the heater does not live up to its promises. It struggles to heat large rooms quickly, and some users report components that feel cheap or poorly constructed. Returns are often not accepted, and there are multiple reports of overcharging or unauthorized billing by similar sellers. Essentially, the Apex Heat Pro operates more like a drop-shipping product than a reliable, tested heater from a legitimate brand. While some may find it works for very small spaces, the combination of aggressive marketing tactics, questionable reviews, and potential financial risks make it a product to approach with caution. If you're looking for a space heater that genuinely performs and is backed by a trusted company, there are safer alternatives out there that won't come with all these hidden concerns.